Deductive validity. The facts, also known as premises, have to add up to a logical conclusion. So, the premises make the path for the conclusion to be valid, per se. So you might have a bunch of facts, and you'd be like, alright, well, here's fact 1. It's kind of like math. 1 plus 1 equals 2 sort of scenario. It's kind of like something like that. Usually there's something called standard form. It's kind of like the math form, but for logic. You have the premises over conclusion. So it'll be like, so this is literally this. So it could be even reduced to just P over C. So here are some examples of valid, meaning these are all logical. So the ocean is made up of water. Water makes you wet. If you jump into the ocean, you will get wet. So one thing that you can always do if you can't figure out exactly what premises are and what are which and what's that, work backwards. Try finding a conclusion. So for this, we know, so we're like, alright, well I know what it is obviously, but per se you're not like, ocean made of water, okay, water makes you wet, okay, well here's a linking thing. But then if you're not sure even from this, you'd be like, if you jump in water, water will make you wet. That sounds like a given thing, and it helps. And by this and this, it will be like, So here's your kind of adding scenario. But so we'll set up in a standard form. So this is what it will look like. It will be something like, so here's your first, second, and then your conclusion. So we'll just go through the truth value. So each of these do have a truth value. They have to have a truth value. Every single little piece of this does. So if I were to be like, does this have a truth value? The ocean is made up of water. Yes, that does have a truth value. Could we determine what it is? It's true. Water makes you wet. Truth value? Yes. So this has truth value, but in reality it's a true or false? It's true. If you jump into the ocean, you will get wet. This is also true, but it's also truth value. These two added up to make this conclusion. Because you're saying something about the ocean right here, and you're talking about getting wet. Well, you know that the ocean is made up of water, and you need water to get wet. So you need the ocean to get wet. So pretty much so just get rid of water and you'll get it. Alright, so all flowers are dogs. All dogs are plants. Therefore, all flowers are plants. Okay. Well, let's see. Okay, we have our premises and conclusions. All flowers are dogs. All dogs are plants. All flowers are plants. Alright. So this might not make sense right now, but give it a second, it might. So, let's read the first thing. All flowers are dogs. We know there are flowers and dogs. So we'll put F for flowers, and there's dogs. All dogs are plants. Well, here's your dog circle, so plants. And then you could say All flowers are plants. Is this true? Yes, because flowers are in the plant category. And just for the people who rather have visuals, we will do that. So you have this, and so we have that. First off, like, so the flowers are going to be blue. You have all dogs. It's going to be an ugly color then. But, so now you see the dogs overlapping flowers. And then if you do this, and you shade over all where plants are supposed to be, you can see that it overlaps flowers right here. So with that being said, plants and flowers would be connected. All flowers are plants. Even though the two premises are completely false, as we know, the conclusion is still true. So, just to put out there, you could have all true premises and have a true conclusion. You can have false premises and have a true conclusion. You can have completely false premises and a false conclusion. Here's your 4 that you can have, but you will never, ever, ever have true premises with a false conclusion. This is physically not possible. Invalid examples. A college is known for math. They have 1,200 students enrolled, therefore all 1,200 students are math majors. So let's put this in standard form. We have it in standard form now. And so you have your premises and conclusion. A college is known for math. Okay, I can't verify this, but sure, we'll just call it true. They have that. Okay. Again, we can't verify them, but we'll take them as fact because they're, again, truth valued. They definitely have truth value. All 200 students are math majors. Okay. This is where we have issues with the conclusion. So that's great that they have that many students. However, we can't verify this portion, that all of them right here, because we were never told about them only having it. They just said they are known. They never say they have only math. If they said something along the lines of, a college has only math, they have 120 students or whatever, then all students are math majors, then yes, that would be correct. However, this isn't because you have science, English, history, if I could write, as well as math. So for this would be very much invalid. You need to make sure that this portion, that the conclusion matches up with the premises completely. There is no gaps. If you have any other answers for it or any other solutions, whatever you want to write it, then the validity is B, just isn't there. It's a false. It's invalid. You need to have all of the other solutions in order to make it valid. Okay, next one. The sun is made of gas. All stars are made of gas. So the sun is a star. So we have standard form. The sun is made of gas. This is true. Obviously, we're going to say that's true. All stars are made of gas. Sure, that's true too. We know that from science. The sun is a star. We also know this is true. However, this is an invalid argument. And this actually could be shown back. So we're going to copy that again and determine if this what is going wrong here. So we're going to make the chart again and do this. So the sun is made of gas. Okay, so we'll put sun here, right? Sun, and then they say all stars are made of gas. So you would think that it should do something along. So you would think that it should do something along the lines of that, right? You'd think, yeah, that's what we think with. That's what we know from science, right? However, when you are dealing with arguments like this, you have to forget all the knowledge you've ever gotten. Just erase it. Replace it even. So make up random things. I don't know. But, so the stars are made of gas? Yes, we have that now out of the way. But now he's saying all stars are made of gas. Okay, well, there's no indication that these even overlap. So these go over here, all these stars can. And they're saying that because, as far as we're concerned, this is a gas section. So these could go all over the place. So the sun is a star. Considering that there's no overlapping between these two, there's no way of proving this argument. So for that reason alone, this be invalid. There is a hole in the argument. To make this a valid argument, it would be something like the sun is a star. Like this, if these two were swapped, that would be a valid argument. It would be like the sun is a star. All stars are made of gas. Then the conclusion could be like the sun is made of gas. Then that would be 100% correct. However, because of the fact of the order they're in, it makes a gap, and it would be illogical conclusion. Anyways, I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, just ask. Question box is always open. Anyways, have a great night, guys. Bye.